Friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Exela Technologies INC. Now in this video we are going to discuss about the current bounce back because as far as my last video is concerned, I was very concerned about the move on the downside and it was falling like there is no tomorrow. But in the last couple of weeks, I would rather say, the stock trying to manage itself quite well, and there is a bounce back which is visible right now. So let us discuss about this. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, just hit on the subscription button. Also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. Now, those who are invested in these kind of stocks, they are now completely aware about the moves which are happening, and as you can see, the kind of volatility you have in the stocks is quite commendable. And if you do not understand the risk, you better just keep yourself away from this kind of stock. Anyways, let us discuss about the trend of Exela Technologies. Primarily, you have two most important support levels to look at, and I would request you not to go below the support or below the stop loss, because you will be in a great danger if you are not going or not adhering to the levels which is important for you. Now, primarily you have three levels to look at, because the stock has already crossed 78 cents. So 78 cents will be your immediate support. Then we have 58 cents and we have 34 cents on the downside. So these are your three support as well as stop loss, which is 34 cents on the downside. As I told you, please do not go below the important levels on the downside. As far as the upper end of the range is concerned, what do we have here? What do we have here will be something like this. As far as the upper end of the range is concerned, we have $1.28. Then we have $1.67. So these are your two primary targets. I would rather say two most important targets the stock must look at. Only after 1.67 you have three specific targets. You have 3.26, you have 5.32, and the highest end of the range will be 7.42. Okay, this is not as simple as it looks. I'm just drawing a line and the stock, as you can see, will climb up the ladder. But the problem is the volatility. If the stock wants to move, it can move 500-600% in a single day. We have seen this thing, right? It's just 24 months ago. The same kind of things were happening and people were happily participating on those kind of stock, but without understanding the risk, right? If you simply follow the profit without understanding the risk and you're thinking that there will be no tomorrow, then that will be a big disaster. So anyways, you have a swing on the upside, but better be disciplined about Exela Technologies, and more specifically about these kind of stocks, because they are highly volatile and risky in nature. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.